Hi, it's WWE superstar Jerry the King Lawler, and you're listening or tuned into DJ Delz.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
All right, we got some brand new packages in the mail. We're definitely gonna unbox. If you're new to the channel, you love Funko Pop and more, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. This way you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. So these are all eBay pickups, I'm pretty sure. And I don't remember exactly what is what. It's just random pickups that I ordered. And I know it's all things that I love. I just don't remember exactly what is what. So, we're about to check it out together. It's the first box. Seems like it's wrapped pretty nicely. Okay. So this is something that I really regret not getting when it first came out. And it's crazy because my kids seen it and they were kind of shocked that I passed on it. They were like, why would you pass on this? And then when I was like, oh, well, I'll eventually get it. By the time I was ready to get it, it was gone. And that's the Undertaker Funko Pop right there. You know, there's only so much stuff released, and I just felt like this was going to be around for a little bit. But it seems to be flying off the shelves everywhere, and it's hard to find now. So I had to go to eBay to pick it up. As far as the condition, it's not that great as far as the box. That corner right there really sucks, as you can see right there, but it's all good. As long as I have the actual Funko Pop, I'm happy about that. But as far as the quality of the box, not that great up top. This may be one that I take out of the box and display, like how I have DMC. This is actually the first Funko Pop I ever got, and I always wanted Run, but I never got the chance to get Run. This is pretty old too. It's probably a good 5-6 years ago, I'm pretty sure. But I'm looking for Run if anyone has it. It doesn't have to be in the box. So this one may be one that hangs out on the shelf. We'll see. And if anyone has a mint condition box of The Undertaker, wants to do trades, hit me up on my Instagram at RealDJDelz or Delz Toy Show, one or the other. Now this is the next box right here. Once again, I have an idea what things are, but I don't know what's what. Okay, so this is another rock pop I have, and oh my god, the box is horrible. What the fuck? Look at the box. Wow. I usually have luck on eBay, but this is just crazy. That is insane. I got Lemmy because I'm a huge Motorhead fan, and I definitely wanted to have it. These are some of my other rock pops, even though it's a hip hop pop. I'm pretty sure it's labeled as a rock pop, but those are some of the other ones. I have Kurt Cobain, Guns N' Roses, Metallica, and I'm working on getting the Motley Crue ones, but I definitely wanted to get Lemmy because I love Motorhead, absolutely love their music. So really disappointed in this because this is pretty outrageous. I didn't see this in the photos. That's insane right there. That's like a real bad crush on the box. So not happy about that. Wow, this is becoming a pretty disappointing unboxing video, which is very rare. Usually we don't go through this type of stuff here. But today the luck has run out with eBay shopping, man. Sometimes it's hit or miss with eBay shopping. Kind of annoyed right now, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm opening up this third box, and this one I know what it is, and I'm gonna be furious if the box is fucked up on this. Really mad. Because I got this for a good deal, and it is a chase. So we'll see. Hopefully, you know, there's not some hidden thing going on with this right here. It's packaged pretty nicely. Man, I'm fucking just blown away, man, by that box. Okay, so it's in a ball of paper. Looking good so far. And once again, this is a chase. And we got ourselves the Sub-Zero chase. Had to get it. I do have Scorpion. And Scorpion needs to be somewhere displayed side by side with Sub-Zero. So I had to get him. The box is decent. It's not mad about the box. The box isn't perfect. There's little here's and there's like over on the corner right there. But besides that, pretty nice. And some people say, well, you know, the Sub-Zero chase is kind of weak. I can never understand why people say that. What's weak about it? He got the damn ice coming out of his hand. That's dope. That's what he's about to freeze people. I think that sometimes people complain about chases just because they don't have them, maybe. Because I don't understand why people were hating on this chase, saying that it's whack. For him to actually be shooting the ice is so dope. I don't get why I've seen that a lot of times on YouTube, people saying it's one of the worst chases. I'm not mad about it. I'm not triggered about it. It's just a discussion, but I think this is a dope chase, and I definitely had to get it because I have right here the Scorpion. So I wanted to have now, you know, a Sub-Zero, and I prefer the ice. I prefer the ice in the hand versus the standard version. I feel like the standard version is real dope, but at the end of the day, Sub-Zero is known for his damn ice. So I wanted that. So I got it. And I got it. So I'm happy. I'm not happy about this box, though. That is so ridiculous right there. I mean, I could literally just tear it open with my thumb right there. People are unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. And this one right here, I'm not mad at. For the price I paid for this, I paid maybe $5 over retail. So I'm not tripping over this one right here. But I do want a mint condition one, because I eventually hope to get up with Undertaker and have him sign the Funko Pops. This is something that I want to start doing in the next year, is getting some of my Funko Pops autographed. So I'm really trying to get some of them signed if they're around my way in the town. I'm at a convention. There's a lot of comic book conventions where they have people. I know people from Guardians of the Galaxy should be coming up my way soon. A few wrestlers are. I'm going to try to link up with Scott Hall and get him to sign the Razor Ramon. Well, it's not really Razor Ramon. He's in the NWO outfit, but I want to get him to sign that one, Scott Hall, and then get the Razor Ramon one right over here. There's a little bit of a glare. I apologize. Get that one signed, Razor Ramon. Other ones I'm sure I'll be able to get signed easily is Jake the Snake Roberts and the $1 Million Man Ted DiBiase. So when they're at wrestling conventions, I'll definitely come through and get those signed, because I think it's a real cool thing getting the windows of the Funko Pops autographed. So that's something that I will be trying to do in the near future. A lot of new Funko Pops that are releasing. I will list some pre-orders in the description box below to help you guys out on a bunch that I think that you will want to help you all out. So look in the description box and I will list some of the newest ones that I'm probably pre-ordering, and I think you guys should too. And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you're looking for as far as new pickups that I've gotten. I did get a lot of the Target exclusives, like the Jack, the Fire Jack, which I love. Looks real awesome. This one, matter of fact, has like that kind of flame vibe, that translucent look like this one, which is pretty cool. What else did I get new? I just recently finally got the Georgie Chase, which I was very happy about. I did get the Iron Spider right here, which I'm very happy about. I just need to score now what other Target exclusive that's coming out. There's a few more that I need to get. I need to get the Deadpool, the Mermaid Deadpool. I did recently get Elastigirl right here, so I'm happy about that, because, you know, I did get the Jack, so it's a good matchup right there to display. And I did get Dr. Malcolm. I do have a couple of these available for trade, and a bunch of other Funko Pops that I have doubles of for what I'm looking for, including a 10-inch Thanos I have available for trade, a Porg I have available for trade, and a bunch more. So right now, what I'm looking for, I definitely am looking for an Undertaker in better condition, because this just, you know, the more I look at the side of this box, it annoys me. It looks like someone filed it down, or a dog was licking on it, or some weird shit like that. But I'm looking for an Undertaker. I'm looking for Ric Flair. I'm looking for Run to hang out with DMC. I need Run, so I need a Run. I am also looking for, oh, I'm looking for the chase of this Funko Pop right here. And is there anything else that I'm looking for? Oh, I'm looking for some of the zombies from The Walking Dead. Any zombie Funko Pops from The Walking Dead. So if you have any of those, hit me up on my Instagram, Real DJ Delz or Delz Toy Show, and we'll try to work something out. Just let me know what you're into and send me pictures of what you got available so that we can figure something out, whether it's one Funko Pop for one, or me trading you 3 or 4 for one, depending on how rare the Funko Pop is or what we're talking about trading. So definitely hit me up. Also, I do have available for trade, and I'm really looking for that Thanos pack. So if you have the Thanos pack, I am looking to trade this for the Thanos shirt and metallic Funko Pop. So that's another thing that I definitely am looking for. Just hit me up. Let me know what you got available. Alright? Much love out there. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, and we out.